Welcome to the Onamo City. Husky is a breed of dog with a beautiful and dense outer coat that comes from eastern Siberia. These dogs are very active and energetic and have a great tolerance for cold weather. Due to their strong and independent personality, Huskies are very suitable as working dogs. These dogs are used for various tasks such as pulling sleds, searching, guarding, etc. Also, due to their friendly and playful personality, Huskies are very suitable as pets. Finally, it should be noted that due to their active nature and energy loss, Huskies have a relatively high feeding rate compared to other dog breeds. Regarding the relationship between Husky dogs and humans and children, it should be said that Husky dogs are well suited to children and adults due to their calm and friendly personality. This was general information about the Husky dog. If you want to get information about other animals, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like, leave a comment and watch the next video.